To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to the borrowing cost. So they have given 4 different banks loan. One is IFCI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI Bank. Then we have debentures. Okay. So 4 different types of sources of loans they have borrowed. Okay. And they have even given something called as bank deposit also. So out of total borrowing, so whatever the money they have borrowed from all these banks, I think they have invested some money. Okay, they have invested 10 crores they have invested in bank deposit, and they will get 12% interest for 6 months. This is the additional information they have given. Now let us try to solve the problem. First, write the heading: calculation of annual borrowing cost. Calculation of annual borrowing cost. In that we have particulars, amount. Now first it is IFCI loan. So interest on IFCI loan. So total 4 crores. 4 crores into 11% is the interest. So 4 crores into 11% means it will be 44 lakhs. Interest rate is 44 lakhs. Then again on that consultation charges is there 5%, and 5% consultation charges is there, and it is for 10 years. So consultation charges ₹4 crores into 5%, and it is for 10 years, but we want it for only 1 year. So 4 crores into 5% into 1 divided by 10, it will be 2 lakh rupees. Next we have HDFC loan of 2 crores at 10% interest. So interest on HDFC loan. So total loan amount is 2 crore rupees into 10% interest. 2 crores into 10% will be 20 lakh. Next we have SBI loan 3 crores of 5%. SBI loan, interest on SBI loan, that is 3 crores into 5%. 3 crores into 5% will be 15 lakhs. Now debentures, very important. It's some trick is there in that. Please pay your attention. Debentures ali ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tricky really correct ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Issue of 20,000 debentures of 99 rupees. So the interest will be 9%. First ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. So interest on debentures. So total there are 20 debenture holders, and each debenture is actually par value. See here they have given par value. Par value is how much? 100. So into 100, how much? It will be 2 lakh rupees. Now on this 2 lakh rupees, first we need to pay the interest of 9%. 2 lakh into 9%, sorry, 20 lakh, it will be 20 lakh, sorry, 20 lakh into 9%. 20 lakh into 9% will be 1,80,000. Next they have told that redeemed at 102. So actually the value was 100 par value, so they have redeemed, okay, at 102 rupees. So what is this redeem means? They have given premium ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿನ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆನ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್. So totally how many debenture holders are there? 20,000 debenture holders. For each they have given 2 rupees premium, and it is for 5 years. We want only for 1 year. So 5 years we want only for 1 year. So 20,000 into 2 into 1 divided by 5, it will be 8,000 rupees. Next, if you observe, actually value is 100 rupees, but they are issued for 99, means 1 rupees discount they have given. Actually 99 rupees ಬೆಲೆ ಬಾಳೋ ಒಂದು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ನ 99 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರಲ್ಲೂ. ಸೊ ಆ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ on debentures. Discount on debentures. Total 20,000 debentures, total 20,000 debentures. On each debentures they are giving 1 rupee discount, and this is related to 5 years. We want only for 1 year. So 20,000 into 1 divided by 5, it will be 4,000 rupees. Next, out of the total borrowings, 10 crore were invested into bank deposit at 12% interest for 6 months. These are all the expenses, alva. These are all the expenses. We are adding all the expenses, but interest on deposits is an income. So when we are adding all expenses, income, we should do ulta, means we need to subtract. So less interest on deposits. So totally we are depositing 10 crores at 12% interest for 6 months out of 12 months. So 10 crores into 12% into 6 divided by 12 will be 60, yes, will be 60 lakh rupees. So 60 lakh rupees na nanu idinda subtract martini. Now let us try to add all these things. First is 44 lakhs plus 2 lakh plus 20 lakh plus 15 lakh plus 1,80,000 plus 8,000 plus 4,000 minus 60 lakh minus 60 lakh ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get an answer of 22,92,000. This 22,92,000 is total annual borrowing cost. So this is all about the type 2 problems till now I have solved, that is interest on bank loans, debentures and overdrafts. From next video we will solve the type 3 problems, which is calculation of interest on foreign loans. So in this particular video, if you have any doubt, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video in the next type. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.